Canada has been trying to answer the question, how do we use artificial intelligence without causing harm? You may see references to AIDA, the Artificial Intelligence Data Act. It was proposed as part of Bill C-27, but it never became law. That doesn't mean AI is unregulated. Privacy laws, human rights protection, safety requirements, and institutional policies still apply. Canada's approach is also still changing. In 2026, the federal government introduced new privacy legislation and launched AI for All, a national strategy built around trust, opportunity, and sovereignty. It also proposed updated privacy legislation and began consulting Canadians about AI transparency. For educators, national policy is only part of the picture. What applies also depends on where you teach and the school board, college, or university you work for. In Ontario, school boards are covered by MFIPA, the Municipal Freedom of Information and Protection of Privacy Act, while colleges and universities are covered by FIPA, the Freedom of Information and Protection of Privacy Act. Personal information can include names, grades, photographs, videos, health information, identification numbers, and other details that could identify a person. For K-12 educators, school boards are responsible for the digital services used in the classrooms, including how student information is handled when online or AI tools are used. Since July 2026, Ontario school boards must also provide clear notice when a student's personal digital information is shared with a third-party application. Also since July, Ontario school boards, colleges, and universities must have a cybersecurity program, assess their cybersecurity readiness, and report serious cyber incidents within 72 hours. Ontario's Privacy and Human Rights Commissioners have outlined 6 principles for responsible AI use: reliable, safe, privacy protected, supportive of human rights, transparent, and accountable. Together, these ideas point toward a human-centered approach to AI in education. So, the most useful question is not simply, can I use AI? A better question is, what rules apply here? What do I need to protect? And what is best for my learners? Before using an AI tool, ask, is personal information protected? Where does the data go? Is this tool approved for this setting? Could it create unfair or biased results? Am I being transparent about its use? And of course, trust your professional judgment. Canada's approach to AI is still developing. Laws, policies, and technologies will continue to change. The goal is not to memorize every rule. It is to know what questions to ask, where to find reliable information, and to keep human judgment at the center of every decision.